This is a 2011 Audi A5, a great fit and finish. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, a 5-link front suspension, a turbocharger, heated washer fluid, 18-inch alloy wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: 3-zone automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, a toolkit, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, stereo controls on the steering wheel, and this vehicle has fewer than 39,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.